What if the number one thing holding you back wasn't your age, but it was something else? What if it wasn't the technology, the algorithms, or even having an understanding of AI? The lie is that it's too late to start over. And a lot of people think switching from offline to online is starting from scratch. It's a lie that I see a lot of people over 50, and especially somebody who I want to introduce you to now, Jason, thought this himself. He thought he was going to have to throw away everything and start from scratch, and doing things online were a little bit scary, unfamiliar, and he thought he was just too old to learn these new tricks. Jason was 57. He had a stable job, a respectable title, but he was really tired of the commutes, the office politics, and basically he really didn't want to do this for the rest of his life. He wanted to get busy living, but still needed an income to support it. And so Jason had a few criteria. He wanted to be able to make some good income online. He wanted to be able to do it from a laptop or anywhere in the world. And this was where he wanted to get started because he knew nothing about the internet. Now, I'll be short and give you the details on what happened with Jason, but you'll need to stick around the full video to see how it all pans out. In the end, within just a few weeks of working with Jason, we helped land him a side hustle, making him more than $3,000 in that first week. Now, this is going to vary a lot because Jason was ready to get his hands dirty. He'd waited 30 years for this moment. Now, a lot of other people, they just keep consuming, but they don't actually try. And if you want to make results, you need to go ahead and actually implement what you learned today. So you want to stick around for the whole video because I'm going to break down these 7 best side hustles for men over 50 or anybody over 50. And these are going to be things that you can start this weekend. And if this is your first time seeing me, make sure you hit subscribe for new videos every single week on how to earn from anywhere. And you're going to want to stay around because one of these side hustles is the exact same thing that we helped Jason get started with, and it'll also be able to work for you. Now, some of the most profitable side hustles are also some of the most boring. It's not crypto, it's not drop shipping, it's not trying to be a social media YouTube star overnight. I'm talking about the quiet work. These could be jobs like data labeling, online research, content moderation, organizing digital files. These aren't super glamorous, and you're not going to be blowing up on Instagram, but here's the thing. They're in demand, they pay well, they're super consistent, and it's something that you already have enough experience with to go ahead and get started with today. And essentially the category I would put this in is just boring online or remote jobs that basically make you a freelancer at some point, but sometimes they might just be a part-time job. Again, this allows you a lot more flexibility. You can work at your own hours and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Moving on to the next one is the most overlooked side hustle that I see out there is every problem in basically every business I've seen is lead generation. People need more leads, they're expensive, and they got to figure out the right structure to get leads at the right price point and convert those leads into the customers in the right period of time. It's a little bit complicated, but if you're able to strum up leads for businesses, you'll get paid and you'll make a lot of money. So all you need to do is figure out an industry that you already have some experience in and then figure out some people who need help getting leads. What you can do is go ahead and outreach to people, do a bit of pre-qualification, and then you can book them on their calendar. Once that person or that business has a set criteria of, hey, I need people who fit these 2 or 3 questions, then you book them to my calendar, you make sure they show up, and we pay you a commission. There's a lot of ways to structure this. You can have a monthly retainer, and then on top of that, take a commission for every person who goes from a lead to a customer. And this can be a great way to scale and grow your side hustle. It doesn't need a lot of bells and whistles, and you can literally fire up LinkedIn and get started doing this today. If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription. Now here's a side hustle that we helped Jason make more than $3,000 in just 2 weeks of getting started. And here's the key, it was freelance writing on Upwork. And Jason didn't really think of himself as a writer. Of course, he'd written some financial presentations, overviewed financial documents, but he wasn't journaling every night. He never really published anything, and he definitely wasn't blogging about this industry. So after we put him through our program, he started working with us. We put him out there in the wild and we gave him a challenge. And within those 2 weeks, he was already fully booked with freelance writing clients. that basically wanted to give him unlimited work. And Jason's story gets even crazier because 2 months later, he was already out here in Koh Samui, Thailand, grabbing coconuts with me on the beach. And basically, he thought this was going to be a dream trip that he was going to have to wait 5 to 10 years to achieve. And just to show you how fast it was, within just 2 months, he was able to achieve all of this. A bucket list item crossed off, and basically enough income to support his new lifestyle. What if you could make money from just a digital design and selling t-shirts that you didn't have to make, you didn't have to order from China? Basically, they were just printed on demand. And print on demand's been around for a while, and it can still be a good way to start a small side hustle. And one of the best platforms that really isn't talked about enough is Amazon Merch. Merch by Amazon is basically a place where you can go ahead and upload your own designs and then sell them directly through Amazon. The basic steps to this are you need to do a little bit of research on what's already popular, try to make some images that are going to improve upon that or be in that same niche, find something that's missing but still popular, and then you're going to go ahead and upload a lot of designs. Basically, 1 out of 10 designs is likely going to perform well if your research strategy works out well. After that, you're going to get better and better at picking designs and then publishing them, and those winners, you're just going to keep doubling down on what's working. Once you have a winner, you just keep making more designs in that niche. Did you know the biggest platform out there for affiliates is actually Amazon? It's a site that most people use every single day, and it's one of the most popular sites in the world. Basically, any product on Amazon, you can go and get an affiliate link, and then when your friends, family, or whoever reading your blog, YouTube websites, or any other places you put it, they buy that. So Amazon affiliate works like this. You sign up for their program, you get an affiliate link, and you can go on Amazon and find any product and become an affiliate for that product. You send it out on your YouTube videos, your email blast, or wherever, and basically whenever somebody purchases from that link, you get a commission for that item and anything else they buy within a certain window. The Amazon affiliate program is one of the biggest and most trustworthy affiliate programs out there, and you can basically get started in just a few weeks. Moving on next is becoming a virtual assistant or an online concierge. There's a lot of people who just need some additional help. They need help organizing their life, organizing their business, and everything else in between. You can work 10, 20, 30 hours for someone, and you can basically set how much time you want to do, but essentially you can find somebody that you really enjoy working with, and it can basically be that quarterback running it and managing that person's life. Again, this is going to be a really great position because you'll have a lot of flexibility, and basically you'll have a lot of comfort in earning income from anywhere in the world. This can be things like making sure that they have a nice babysitter that's had 2 or 3 interviews before they show up, making sure you're checking the references for them. It could be picking up dry cleaners or having hiring a person to go do that. It can also be, things like organizing a team of virtual assistants. Depending on what level you're at, what experience you're at, there's a lot of good opportunities to work remotely as a luxury concierge. Last but not least is probably one of the easiest. If you've been working for 20 to 30 years, you probably have some experience in a certain industry. And this is what I love, consulting. There's a lot of platforms out there that offer consulting gigs. You can go to Upwork or you can go to some of the bigger ones, but basically it's going to really vary on what your niche or industry is. Figure out a product and a problem that a lot of businesses are having in your industry and then offer a consulting rate to help people solve that. The great thing about consulting is you're just giving advice. It needs to be actionable. It needs to be legit, but at the end of the day, you don't have to actually get your hands dirty and implement it. If that's something you want to do, you can also get paid for doing the implementation. And so these are 7 really great side hustles. They've all been tested. I've tried each one of these or helped somebody get started with it. And if you want to see more, if you want to learn more about this, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll leave another video here right for you that's going to help you out for your journey of earning from anywhere.